The Eureka 3-in-1 Swivel Sweeper. Now, as you know, your traditional vacuum has a beater to it. Unlike this one, this sucks air through this attachment. This comes off, and we'll show you all the examples here in a little bit. There's the filter, the canister, and it has a metal rod that comes up like so. And here's your handle. There's your crevice tool. We're going to get to that later. But first, let's just demonstrate the effectiveness of what this little toy vacuum does. It's not a toy, but anyway, you put your foot there, come down here, there's the on and off switch. Let's do it. Watch how simple and easy this top surface vacuum picks it all up. You have a dog in your house, she has a lot of hair. Look how it just sucks it right up. Right up, right up. And off the sea. The wizard, the wonderful wizard. It doesn't get everything all at once. You have to do a few passes. Watch how it goes from the welcome mat to the floor. I'm going to go into the bathroom now. Now watch how easy that is. Oh, look how easy that is. Over and under. Just in there and turn it around. Come back out here again. Easy transition here. Watch how it is. Oh, over and under and under and under. And it's back out here. Now this is just the top surface only. And it picks up the hair right away. Now we're going to disconnect the rod. And we're going to show you what it does to your steps. See how that just comes down like so? Put that to the side. We're going to do all the steps here. Or your wife and her black hair. You just watch it. A few more. We're going to do a whole steps here. See how there's the plug right there? Now watch, you're going to go all the way up the steps. It's landing here. There. Watch the tour go all the way up the steps. See? Look at all that stuff. Look at all that hair particles. All that hair. Now watch how come back down here. And we're going to disconnect it so easy. It's presto. Just go like that. It comes off. Put that down here. Now look at this filter. This is one thing I don't like about it, the filter. It's very nice. Captures everything from there to here, and it zooms it up. You have to go outside because the dust is just furious. Look at all that dust. Oh, you have to definitely go outside. Don't let your wife know you're doing it inside. Yeah, I just demonstrated that so you know. I got most of it there. But this is the cheap filtration system of this floor vac. You're going to obviously have to pay the $6 if you don't want to be cost efficient and clean it yourself. But as you can tell, you just put it back in here like so. Very easy to do. Just drop it in like there. Put this back on like this. It's convenient. Now if I want to take this floor attachment off, I have to pull it off like that. And if I want to clean my tight spots, and I just put in that little hole there, put the crevice tool in like that, and now I can do the tight surfaces of my steps, or I can vacuum the car. Ooh, just go like that, dust off your floorboards. Let's get it clean today. Oh, there we go. Okay, we got a tight spot there. We got it. So there's the crevice tool. Very simple to take off. Just pull it off, and let's say you want to do your upholstery. You want to impress your wife. Do all the seat stitching and that's the Eureka 3-in-1 system. It's pretty simple. That's all you're going to get. And where's the crevice tool? I don't know what happened to it. Oh yeah, here it is. The crevice tool. The rod to do the upright, the floor attachment. And pretty simple to disconnect. Whoops. There it is. You get one filter with the whole thing. So there you go. Have a nice life.